To start with the presentation of how the Live Simple app functions, firstly, when I click any area of the screen here, it will take me to the next page that shows various options. If I click on the item option, it takes me to the next page, which has a button to add new details of items that are often misplaced. Once I click on the button, it takes me to the page that shows the list of essential items. If I assume I misplaced one of the items and click on one to connect and find, it takes me to the next page where it connects to the item and starts searching. Returning to the home page, let's look at the reminder section. Clicking on the reminder button takes me to the page that notifies the user about leaving behind items or the unavailability of an item within its vicinity. It gives the option to ignore or to continue accepting it. If I accept and return to find the item in the room, it will start searching for it. Let's return to the home page and click the favorite button. I can see a list of items that I have to deal with daily. If I often put misplaced items in my favorite, it is easier and faster for me to click the item so that I don't waste time following all the app procedures. Next is the section that takes me to select the tone for my device. I can choose a tone I like for my device tag. I can also add the customized sound if I want. Then comes the item status, which helps me to if the item tag is connected to the app. Sometimes, if the battery of a tag is exhausted, I have to change it. Otherwise, due to a technical issue, if it is disconnected, I can connect it by clicking on this button, which will set the connection back. Then we go to the support section, where if I face any issue with the app or difficulties connecting the app to the tag, I can click here and connect it to the customer service center. They are there to help me with any issue. If I visit the top section where I can find the items, click on the button and it takes me to the list of items. I can choose the one I'm looking for and click on that. Then click on the Connect Now button and it will start to find the item. Let's visit to the profile section. It takes me to the page where I can update my personal details, including the app settings, and finally log out of the account. If I am not very competent in typing in the app, I can use the voice recorder at the bottom right end, and it takes me to the next page where I need to encode the item details, and it will find it for me. Overall, the app has default yellow colors, bigger fonts and icons, and very simple user interfaces for the interest of elderly people.